Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the Stoney Creek Inn here in Quincy, Illinois. Looks like JL button. Here it is. Wow, this is really nice. This is interesting. Scale 3. No, 2 indicators. Yeah, this is JL. Jet Plus, fan resistant. This is cool. This is a nice elevator. It's big. Rather odd, they put 2 floor indicators in this thing. One is good, but 2 is a little excessive. Anyway, there's a floor indicator up there and a floor indicator here with a capacity of 4,000 pounds. JL Jet Plus, fan resistant. Very interesting. Very strange elevator, to be honest. And there goes the elevator with its cool door design. And I guess, in fact, that's gonna be it for me.